Okay, this is the top of the hill, David's farm. I'm looking right out what will be the kitchen window, and right straight across that field, here's our land, looking down the hill, and then right straight up across the water is Negros. So I'm going to pan now across here. These trees are on our land. There's Negros again with the water, and this palm tree here, one that's close next to those bags, that's the property line. So I can see all the way across to Negros. And now you can see the water, Cebu City and Bohol. That'll be out the living room window. And here now is the other corner. Looking right there, right behind that big tree is the property line. This is the other view from the kitchen window. So the panoramic view from the kitchen window goes from here, right straight, sitting out in the lanai. This is what we're going to see, sitting out on the lanai, looking out the kitchen window. This is the view right here. And look how beautiful, gorgeous it is. Right there in the middle of the screen, if you can see it, I'll see if I can zoom in. Right there is a volcano on Negros. We get to look right at it. Beautiful. Okay, I'm standing directly in front of the tree where Merle and I came one day and put up some stakes in the ground, and that tree was going to be where our lanai was, and this is the view. Here you can see that something is planted here. I don't know if it's camote or whatever it is, but it's planted right in front of that tree. Then behind it, looks like they recently plowed, LP recently plowed a small patch, maybe for corn. I'm going to walk down further, but here you can see the coconut trees that line the property, that are the property line, going all the way up. And then here's the hill that we're going to build on between right here and those trees. That's where the house is going to be. Okay, right here, the view of Negros and the water is beyond belief. And there's some coconut trees here, providing just a little bit of shade, a beautiful breeze. It's beautiful here, this spot. Now right behind here, we're making this video. First, on the left, you can see the very top of the hill where the trees are. That's our house, that right in front of that tree. That's the top of the hill. And then this patch of trees right here, and see the shade? See how shaded it is? Imagine building a platform, Yogashala, David's temple, right there. I can use it as a Yogashala. I can use it as a painting studio because the view, look at the view. So by building David's temple right there, like a platform, like a tree house, the coconut tree there, this other tree, and these two coconut trees on the right, I can put boards, build a frame connecting all four of those trees together, build a platform, and build a roof. I'll be in the shade, nice and cool, doing yoga. I can look up and see the house. I can look over here for this beautiful view. I can look right across this field and see Negros. It's beautiful.